Welcome back, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's had a great day today. Chad and I done a grocery order, and I didn't get some of the things that I needed, so he'll probably have to pick a few things up, or I will the next few days. But here's what we got behind us, and I'm going to go through and show you. Make sure if you like this type of video that you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out on my channel. Please leave your comments below if you have any thoughts or ideas of things you would like to see on my channel. I'm just so glad that you stopped by, and if you've not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss any videos coming up. And let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. A lot of the stuff that we buy is for Grammy's school. I do cook typically 2 or 3 meals a week. I don't cook every day just because it's easier sometimes for Chad to pick something up for us and it's quicker, or we'll just do something simple like egg sandwiches. Chad's great at eating anything. He's very simple to please in that category. Me, I can eat cornbread and a cup of buttermilk and I'm fine. Chad's like, I don't know why you do that, but I do. But most of this on this side is for Amelia, for Grammy's school. So Nutri-Grain bars. I have her quite a few Lunchables here. These are convenient when I'm busy with Aubrey. I do like to fix her hot lunches as well. These are more so like a snack. Some nachos. This one is turkey and American cheese. And this is another nachos. I think they substituted because they were out of some. This is ham and American cheese, extra cheesy pizza, and light bologna and American cheese. And she loves those. She eats really good, so I can't complain about that. I also got her some Pop-Tarts. Like I said, these are mostly snacks. She eats a lot of Eggos or oatmeal or cream of wheat during the winter months for breakfast, don't she, Chad?
Yes.
So,
yes, Chad's on the other end of the camera today.
Chad's filming for me.
And I was just thinking, Amelia may have to share some of those Lunchables with Papa.
I'm sure
she's really good at that.
She looked for one day and she said, Grammy, there's no more Lunchables. And I said, oh, Papa took it to work for lunch. And he hardly ever does that. So she was like, that's okay. So this is her other favorite thing, is chocolate pudding cups. They were out of the vanilla, they said. So I need to get some more of those, which she prefers chocolate anyway.
She sure does.
These beef and cheese tostadas, I think, or taquitos. I ordered just beef, but I think she'll eat these, won't she, Chad? Probably.
Yes. When Chelsea and Courtney were in high school,
they like those.
Their friends and them loved those when they'd have sleepovers.
Yeah, wouldn't you fix like a box of them? They'd eat them all. And then the Uncrustables, peanut butter and grape jelly. I don't know if she'll eat those or not, but you know what? I will. She don't. You probably
those
would
look
too,
good
wouldn't you?
Me and Amelia have the same kind of appetite.
Her and Papa, they have the same menu. And then Eggos, Papa introduced her to those. She likes the mini Eggos. And then this is some stuff I got for Chad. These are things that he would fix, like if I don't cook, or even if, sometimes he just wants these. This is a chicken pot pie by Boston Market. Now, from what I can tell, all the stuff from Boston Market's good, isn't it? Are you looking at me in the camera? Can you see my face when I'm talking?
It's a little close.
Well, scoot back then. Okay. But all the stuff from Boston Market's pretty good from what I can tell. You got to look in the camera when you're feeling, baby.
Wasn't that sweet of her to order me food?
And then I got Michelangelo's lasagna. And that looks really good. And I got this. You know how I talk about the Rayo's pasta sauce, pizza sauce, and soups? This is frozen. It's a Rayo's made for home chicken parm. I bet it's great.
Oh, I bet it is.
Let's see what it says.
I'm
very funny about
I make
chicken.
Microwave meals all the time. And even frozen pizzas, and I can never, ever get Vickie to eat them with me.
It says breaded chicken with marinara sauce and mozzarella over pasta. I'm going to try this one. I'll wait till I'm real hungry, though. But typically I don't. Now, sometimes I would eat the White Castles, but I got these for Chad. He loves these, don't you?
Yes, and you would be surprised sometimes how good frozen pizzas and microwave meals are.
I love White Castles to go through the restaurant.
Oh, I know.
I could get a sack of them. But
yeah, I was talking about the frozen dinners.
Oh, yeah. I got some more potatoes. I have been craving a meatloaf dinner. Chad, do you like meatloaf?
I love meatloaf.
And I don't think they had my meatloaf fixings that I use. I'll leave the link below down to my meatloaf recipe. I love it. It's so good. I got a big bag of John and Gold apples and 2 bunches of bananas. Amelia loves that to snack on during the day, like I said. I love these type of rolls, brown and serve rolls, when I make like meatloaf or a roast or something like that. Let me move to this side. This is my brioche bread. Chad, tell them what we had for breakfast this morning.
French toast with that bread.
So
and it was great.
Link the recipe down below in the description box for my decadent French toast.
It's so good.
It's the best I've ever eaten, isn't it, you?
Mm-hmm.
It really is good.
It is.
And this is our Wright's bacon, which we love. Amelia loves bacon. She loves bacon sandwiches. She likes just bacon and toast. So, do you like it, Chad?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Yeah, that brand's really good.
Yep. It's like $13 though.
It's very expensive. Everything has went up so much.
1.5 pounds, I guess, is what that is, but it's a lot. Mm-hmm. And then this is for my meatloaf. I just got a, this is 1 1/4 pound. A beef, $8.05 for 1 1/4 pound, 85 lean.
85.
I like to make with my meatloaf macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, brown gravy. I also like to do sliced carrots. Amelia loves carrots. And then I've got new peas, which is not what I wanted. I wanted them in a can, but that's okay. I can get some
It's better than old peas.
And then Chad and his bologna sandwiches, some beef bologna.
She got beef because I get gout.
Yeah.
And beef is a little better, like just regular bologna. I could eat a bologna sandwich and sure enough, flare up with gout the next morning.
Yeah.
So beef I can get by a little bit.
Amelia likes this too. Oh, they didn't give me another bag of chips. I got these Ruffles jalapeno ranch, but Amelia can't eat those.
I'll get
I ordered some more. She likes the little variety packs her and Papa all get, but I couldn't.
She's
find
so
those on the
independent.
order thing.
For a 3, now 4-year-old, she'll go get her own stuff. It's so sweet.
And then I got 18 eggs, which is good. We go through eggs pretty quick. I like a lot of eggs for different things. I've got Aubrey about 15 jars of baby food, I think it was.
That'll last a day and a half.
It'll last a week.
Yeah.
And I've got a few jars.
Oh, I don't
over
think it
there.
will.
I think I've got about 20 jars. That'll do a week. She eats 4 to 5 jars a day.
Yeah. While she's here,
eating,
yeah.
While she's with me.
Yeah.
About 4 jars a day is what she eats for me. Plus her milk bottles. And here's her Pampers, size 3. A gallon of 2% milk, a half a gallon of buttermilk. Like I said, y'all know I love my buttermilk and cornbread. I like to make my biscuits and cornbread. I've got 2 gallons of nursery water for Aubrey's bottles. I've got some, this is what I like for snacks, is Cocoa Pebbles and Reese's Puffs. When I want a snack at night, I eat cereal, so that's what I get. And I think I showed y'all the Nutri-Cream bars. And my K-Cups. Forgot my creamer. I don't have any creamer. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, I think this is all we got. So we're going to put it away. Thank you all for joining us today.
I might not have had it on you there for a second. I'm not a good cameraman. I'm sorry. I was looking at the food.
Thank you for joining us today. Like I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you like my content. I would love for you to follow me. Follow me over on Instagram. I post a lot more about my personal life on Instagram. But God bless you all, and I hope you have a great day. And I'm so thankful that God blessed us to be able to buy these groceries. We're very blessed. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Look at my beautiful wife.
Okay. Okay.